Hello guys, Nelly B Chronicles here. Today I want to show you my fridge restocking. Okay, I've not bought like everything because I don't love fridge food so much. So there's some things that I keep fresh and there's some other things that I prefer keeping them in the fridge. So this is a fridge restock for someone who is health conscious and someone who is keeping fit, like the health conscious people. So here is my mini fridge. So I start with the freezer. For my freezer, I don't want red meat these days, so you can see this is my white meat. This is chicken meat. This is chicken meat. More chicken there. This is my cheese. I don't normally use it, don't judge me. This is my beef sausages. I usually buy the 10-pack because I don't eat them every time. So this is the remaining 5. I cooked 5. Then this is more meat, more chicken meat. I don't love chicken as much, but nowadays because I'm eating fish, I want to do like white meat. Yes, this is like ice cube maker. So my freezer is small, and then this is the one that is called what? Fridge guard. Yes, for this fridge guard, or what do you call this? That the one that keeps the fridge cold even when electricity goes. So that's my mini freezer, and that's what is basically on the freezer section. It's like a small double door fridge. Then on this other side, let me start with this one. Here are some eggs. Not that I love eggs so much, but in our home we have several chickens, so I always have a lot of eggs in my fridge. So when my guests come, they can eat the eggs, or even me when I don't have something for breakfast, when I feel like having breakfast, because I'm not a morning person. So that is the eggs. So those are the eggs. And then here are some tomatoes. I put a little in the fridge, and then the others I put in the basket in the kitchen so that I can eat them fresh. And then this is my juice that is Minute Maid. But guys, I'm stopping the juice. I don't want to drink any more juice. I want to be drinking fresh juice, like you can see, like this one that I have blended here. Fresh juice for the health conscious. I have shown you, I'll show you the video of how I blend it in the morning, and then I'll combine this video together. So normally I do health conscious juice. I put ginger, I put beetroot, I put don melon, I put pineapple, I put cucumber, I put lemon and oranges. But in the morning I'll show you how I make my juice for the health conscious. I'm also in the challenge for the weight loss, the one that you are taking ginger shots. So I'm also in that challenge, guys. Then here is my ginger, my blended ginger. I don't have those tins that people are storing with. Mine I'm storing in this container for yogurt. This is the yogurt container, so I store it. I've even stopped consuming yogurt because I feel like yogurt and maziwa mala is making me have a big tummy. And then this is Del Monte juice. That is just for the visitors. Myself, I have said I will be using the blended juice. Let me show you how my blended juice looks like. I think I should put it in a glass and show you how it looks like. Yes, this is how my blended juice looks like. This is a very healthy juice. It contains banana, 1 banana, the green bananas. They are called meru. We call them meru in Meru. There is also don melon, there is pineapple, there is cucumber, there is beetroot, that's why you can see that color, and lemon, oranges. Yes, I think those are the things that I put, and ginger, blended ginger. Yes, and this is what I'm taking for my weight loss and as an healthy drink, just to avoid the artificial juice. Yes, so that side, I'm done with that side. Then on this first track, This is cucumber. This is how I store my vegetables in the fridge. I cover them with a fume paper. These are the plates that I used to buy cakes with when I was a cake lover, but nowadays I have stopped. So this is cucumbers for making juice, and one gadget I've not restocked. I will restock them soon. Here are more eggs. This is soy sauce for cooking my meat. I don't love spicy food, but at least I put dark soy sauce. This is a chocolate, a natural, what do you call it? A natural fruit chocolate from US. From the US, it is written made in Turkey. Can you see well? I don't know. It's made in Turkey. I was given by a Mzungu friend of mine who had come to visit me. This is my mayonnaise. And then these are on that rack is the, what do you call them? The essence, vanilla essence, chocolate essence for baking. I usually bake. I know how to bake the cakes. And then here are more eggs, and also there are more eggs. These are bananas, ripe bananas. I don't store them for long. Those ones I'm going to use them the day after tomorrow. They usually stay like 2 days, not more than that. Then here are more vegetables. This is a green pepper and an avocado. Yes guys, I don't love fridge food. That is my pineapple for making juice in the morning. And then here are thorn melon, very many of them. We have several thorn melons in my, you can see the way I'm squeezing my fridge because it is a mini fridge, it's a small one. And then here are some carrots. I've really tried to utilize the space. Here are some carrots because I don't usually cook carrots more oftenly. And then here are the green bananas for cooking matoke, and also when I want to cook boiled bananas for them in the morning. Actually, most of the time when I feel like taking breakfast in the morning, I boil the bananas and then I eat them together with the sausages. So that is usually how my breakfast is. Or I can do sweet potato. I can also do arrowroots. Yeah, I don't do like bread. Nowadays I'm avoiding wheat so much. So that generally my fridge. This is not a restock. This is just a normal day for my fridge. That is not a restock. If I want to restock, I will have to add more vegetables, more cucumbers, but not packed food. I don't like cooking food and packing it. I love fresh food. So that's generally how my fridge looks like. So guys, I hope you've loved the video. So I'll be also adding the video on how I make my juice very early in the morning, because I wake up very early in the morning to make my juice and drink 1 cup and then carry it for the other day. So guys, like this video, comment down below. Do you love my fridge restock? What have you not seen in the fridge that you wish that it could be there? Okay, so that's about it guys. So see you in the morning as I make my juice and I show you the recipe of how I prepare my juice. Good night guys. Good night guys. Hello guys, good morning. Nelly B Chronicles here. I just woken up. I've woken up, taken a shower, at least mwache kuona kama macho inakafani. So guys, I promised you that I'll be showing you how I make my health conscious juice as I hop into the ginger challenge. Today is day 4 since I started drinking ginger shots in the morning. I started on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, and today is on Thursday. So today is the 5th day. So guys, don't worry, my voice, I know you're wondering, kumbe Nelly anakuanga na bass. Yes, that is how I speak in the morning. So every day in the morning when I wake up, I'm not a morning person, so I don't take breakfast. But nowadays, I've trained myself to be taking fresh juice. So I start with a hot cup. This is hot water. I'm drinking hot water. This is just hot water. I love drinking hot water in the morning. It really burns all the fats in your body. So let me go straight into it because I don't want to get late for the job. So when I wake up in the morning, I fix my juice. So here is my ginger. I've removed it from the fridge. It's like a quarter of this. So here is my ginger. I just blended the ginger and then I've sieved so that I get only the juice. So this is what I use, but some things are not here today. This is oranges. I use 2 oranges. I just squeeze the juice. This is lemon, 2 lemons. I also squeeze the juice. This is 1 banana. This banana is the green banana, very nice. This is my avocado. This is us avocado. Today I don't have what do you call it? I don't have pawpaw. I also use pawpaw, but today I don't have. I didn't get enough time last evening to go to the market. I got here late, so tomorrow I'll be showing you another one with a complete recipe of everything that I put. Then this is Don melon. I'll use the whole of it because I don't have several ingredients. Normally I use half of it, but today I use half of all of it. And then this is the pineapple. Even pineapple I use half of it, but today you can see I have a quarter just from the fridge. Then this is cucumber. So in the evening I'll be going back to the market, and then I buy some more ingredients because it's like I'm exhausting the ingredients, but these are good for my juice for the whole day. Yes, it's a very healthy conscious juice and I love it. So let me chop the things and let's blend the juice together, guys. I'm trying to see where I can fix the camera because today I don't have a video. How should I fix it? Yes, I think there it's okay. No, it's not okay. Let me lower it down a little bit. Yes. No. So guys, I start by blending. Now my ginger shots is already blended, so I just put here. But before that, what I do as I prepare, I'm usually used to drinking my water, so I will be sipping water as I work. But first, I should take the ginger shots. Oh, those of you in the comment section who are in the ginger shots challenge, comment down below. So I don't have a tot glass, but I use a normal glass. Just a little. That's the shots that I take. Nikali. So let me take a shot and then continue blending. So this is very early in the morning on an empty stomach before I take anything. And for sure, I can see the results. You know, we were saying it is for reducing the tummy. For sure, I can see the results. So I love putting on my apron. So I start by dicing my cucumber. Let me first of all wash my ingredients. Okay, so I start by dicing my cucumber. And I use the whole of it. So I'm gonna be really quick because time is not on my side. So cucumber done. Now I go to my banana. Banana done. I go to bone melon. Cut it like that, and then you use a spoon to scoop it. It has thorns, so you have to be careful. There are some spikes, not thorns, some spikes that can harm you. So you just scoop all of it. So as I do, I'm sipping my hot water. I take the other one. Again, I squeeze it. So meanwhile, my throat is feeling so fresh because of the ginger shot that I already took. So guys, ever comment down below, how is your morning routine? Do you wake up? The reason why I'm choosing dieting is because working out is not my thing. I've tried working out and I'm really getting tired of workout. So here is my avocado. Just take all of it. Is it me only ama ni nyinyi mkipata avocado haiko venye ulikuwa unataka unakasirika? But at least this one does not look bad. I don't know why the seed is not fully coming out. So don't worry, I'll just remove it using my spoon. Let me scoop the rest. Yes, and my avocado. Yes, now my avocado is done. And now I go to my pineapple. Just peel the pineapple. Don't want my water to get cold. I'm trying to remove the spikes. So I now dice my pineapple into small slices. So someone in the comment section might be asking about the quantity. The quantity will depend with the size of your family, how much juice you want to make. So mine I'm making like just 1 liter. 1 liter of juice. So now I squeeze the lemon. So you dice it halfway and then you squeeze it inside a bowl. Squeeze it. You squeeze it like this. You squeeze like this. Yes, to get all the lemon juice. Okay. So guys, in case you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for this and much more videos. Comment down below what you'd like to see next on this video and I will give it to you guys. This is basically how my day looks like in the morning. And with this juice, I'll be so refreshed throughout the day. So my lemon is done. So now I will sieve the seeds using this. Yes, because if the seeds get into the juice, it will be very bitter. I don't want it very bitter because the ginger will still make it more bitter. Then next, I squeeze my oranges. For the oranges, I even take the zest. Is it called the zest? I don't know. What do you call those things in the orange? It is zest. Yes, I squeeze like that to get the seeds out fast. Then after squeezing, I scoop this zest out. My water done. So this is how I usually scoop the orange to get all the zest out. What do we call? I can't remember what we call these things for the orange, because they are so beneficial and good for digestion. It is a very nice source of roughage. Is it roughage or fiber? Yes, they help clean your bowel. So this is how it looks like. These are the things I'm talking about, the ones that are in the orange, the ones that I'm talking about. So now all my ingredients are ready, so I just mix them. Yes, I just mix them thoroughly and then put them in the blender to be blended. So here is my blender. This is where I put it because of the positioning of the socket. So I put in my ingredients. How do I hold it? I don't know how to hold the camera and at the same time. Let me put on the hapra. Yes. Here is my blender. So here is how I put it. I'm trying to improvise on how I'm holding the camera, guys, because I'm alone. Quite tricky making the videos on your own. At least I've made it. So now I put in my ginger shots. All of it. I'm going to put in all of it because I want more of ginger. So I put in all the ginger. Najua itakuwa kali. Then I add some water. Yes, I think that's enough. Don't overdo with the water. Yes, that's enough. No, yes, that's enough. Then now I can blend it. My juice is done, so it's tasting time. It's tasting time, guys. So this is how nice my juice looks like. So allow me taste. So that is it. That's 1 liter. Allow me taste it. It's the moment that you've been waiting for. Wow, very nutritious, very healthy juice. Wow, guys, I hope you've loved today's video. So guys, if you've loved today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share it with your friends who are also on a weight loss journey. I'm not that big, but I just love being healthy. So guys, in the meantime, I want to prepare my eggs for the break time at 10. I take my breakfast at 10. When I take my juice in the morning, I feel like taking my breakfast at 10. So I'll be preparing some eggs there, and then I'm gonna drink it together with the juice. I don't want to drink any milky product. I want to avoid milk at all cost. I see the results within this 1 week. So guys, allow me enjoy my juice. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye, subscribe.